All right, we got a Whirlpool roper badged. And the issue with this washer, take a listen. Drain and spin. Motor should be turning, but it's not. Screw there. There. Pull this forward, flip it back. You got a clip and a clip. We're going to remove the front and we're going to take a look. Keep your hand pushing against the back and don't take the screw out all the way. As soon as the screw is out far enough, it will slide forward. See that? That's all you need to do. And do the other side. It's your lid switch. Your lid switch is not bad. You know why? You hear the hum. That means your lid switch is working. These sometimes are burnt when you open them up, but we do have to unplug it. Slight, but not bad. All right, clip. All right, first thing you want to do is come down to the pump. Because we hear humming, something sounds like it's not moving. The motor should be turning. So we need to determine, is the pump has something, or something could be caught in here, stopping the drum, or it could just be a bad motor, or even the capacitor. So we take that off, and you can turn the pump if you want, but first we're going to try and turn the motor. Motor turns, but we're going to spin the motor. We're going to do a quick bypass. We're going to spin the motor, and the drum should spin. Let's do that. All right, you got your green wire. Don't touch it. Leave it alone. You got a white. And you have the gray. You're going to get a small piece of wire. And we're doing a bypass. So you can run the machine with the lid or the body off. There you go. All right, so when you're done, you should look like that. You're going to plug the machine back in. By the way, you see those screws? You want to keep them like that. Don't take them out. All right. Now we're going to do spin again. If all is well, machine will spin. That's a hard lockup. We can fix that if it keeps doing it. Let's try it again. It should actually break a lot smoother. Yeah, it's a very hard lockup. I'll show you how to fix that as well. It should break smooth and come to a very nice stop. As you can see, the water is still not going out because the pump is not connected. The humming is because there's something in the pump, so we're going to deal with that. All right, so tilt your machine as far back as you can. This is going to help you so you don't have a mess. The water that was once here is now back there. So you will have some water, but it won't be too much. Get a bucket to catch anything. We're going to open this pump. Pay attention to where your clamps are. We're going to remove this, and we're going to check the pump. Screwdriver in and try and turn it, and it's not moving. That means your pump has something caught in it. I'm going to remove this. I need a bucket to catch some water. Not a lot. Now, in case you want to know which is the best direction to pull it from, the sock came from here. When here, the pump is turning this way. So you want to pull it this way from the large. Unless it made it all the way through, but it's pretty deep. So we're going to pull it from this side. All right, so before you actually secure the pump with the clamps, make sure that it is on and it's not binding, meaning go ahead and set it onto the motor. Now, the best way to do it, you can rotate the motor. You'll have the coupling, which is between the motor and the transmission, rotated, and it will fall into place. Now all you have to do, secure your clamps. Pay attention to how you had your clamps on and try to keep them in the same orientation so that you don't have any leaks on your clamps or your hoses. Alright guys, so this part is very important. Please pay attention. We're going to be using WD-40 and we're going to be spraying it into the brake shoe or the brake assembly. You want to tilt the machine back and you want to spray towards the back, not the front. As the machine is tilted back, any WD-40 that does not get into the brake shoe will fall to the floor. It will not fall into your clutch. If it gets into the clutch, that shiny one, your washer will not spin properly. So be careful. Now we're going to be plugging in and checking for spin. Pay attention, look at the difference. Wow. Let's do it again. Wow, that's how it should be. You can see how the machine, it comes to a nice smooth stop, not jerking, and that's how it should be. Here's one to check, guys. This is your agitator. If you can rotate it in both directions, then the dog agits are bad. You need to replace them. Alright guys, we're wrapping up, finishing our last screw here, and when you're done, double check your washer, make sure that it is level. All you have to do, pull it forward slightly, and the back legs will be leveled. Thanks for watching.